Hi everybody. Happy Monday. Happy last day of January. It's hard to believe. And it's the first day of week 4 of our semester. And so I'm just going to walk you through today's memo with the visual of what's going on in Blackboard at the same time. So here we go. One reminder is that I have caught up on grading from the week 1 and week 2 assignments, and so be sure to check out your score and feedback on those. For the quizzes, when you get those scores, you'll be able to click on the quiz link itself from within My Grades, and it should bring up the whole quiz with the answer key and my individual item feedback and all that fun stuff. So if you have any problem finding that, let me know. The week 3 assignment, which was the Literacy 101 quiz, was due last night, so it's past due, but I'll be looking at those soon. As always, give me 2 weeks for the low stakes assignments, but I'm gonna try to get this one done within the week. I did go into the icebreaker and write back to everybody, so if you haven't done it yet, or if it's been a while, go to the discussion board and scroll down to the icebreaker, and you can see, you can kind of go in, maybe just go into yours if you want to and see what I wrote. I did ask a couple questions in there, so if you want to write back and answer me, we can extend that discussion. I wanted to remind you under EDU 280 resources, if you scroll down, there's a folder extra credit opportunities, and I updated this document because a couple of the opportunities have already come and went, and I haven't really heard from anybody on those, and that's okay. They're optional. It's extra credit. That's the whole point, but I just wanted to take a moment to remind you that this does exist in our Blackboard shell. And so this one, if it's got a strike through, it's come and gone. It's no longer an option. But you can see that you've got the New River Anthology, which is our college's creative writing magazine. So if you submit something creative to the anthology and can show me proof of that, that'll get you some extra credit. And then we have some kind of bigger projects here, and then some miscellaneous ones. So I just wanted to bring that to your attention. Again, that's under EDU 280 resources and then extra credit opportunities. Week 4 is up. Just go to weekly modules and scroll down to week 4. And you'll see it's arranged similarly to the previous weeks. This video that I'm making right now will appear somewhere in the very near future. There's the content lecture, the lecture slides, the recommended textbook readings for this week. These are very, very specific with page ranges and chapters and sections, so be sure to check those out. I'll talk about Flipgrid in just a second. And then lots and lots, there's just so much information with the early building blocks of literacy. So just go in. Don't feel like you need to take notes on every single one of these links and memorize it. Just kind of go shopping, check it out, see what you can find. If anything kind of strikes you in any way, just let me know. We'll talk about it. And then at the bottom, lots of really great videos, including my favorite show ever, Electric Company. It's a lot of fun. So check those out. And just kind of have fun and enjoy it, really, if you can. Okay, let's talk Flipgrid for a moment. If you have not done so yet, this link right here, if you click it, will allow you to join our Flipgrid group, our EDU 280 Flipgrid group. So on your list of to-do items for this week, that should be at the top. If you haven't clicked on this link, do it as soon as you see this video so that you can join our group. Then that will enable you to view these graded activities. There are 2 Flipgrid discussion boards, but they're video. That's the whole thing. You're posting a video. So if you've never heard of Flipgrid, it may be in your best interest to watch this tutorial video. I did not make it, but it's well done. So, take a look at that. And then once you've joined the group, you'll be taken to a list of Flipgrid areas that are available, or you can click in directly through these. So if I click on this one, that's going to open up the topic page, and you should read the instructions carefully multiple times and put something together. And when you're ready, you click Add Response. And at that time, it's going to get weird because I just turned my camera on. You can record a video right then and there. And then when you get done, you can, if you want to get fancy, you can edit it, you can add stickers to it, whatever. I'm not asking for any of that. You can keep it super simple. The other thing that sometimes people like to do is work on a video outside of Flipgrid and then upload it. And that is an option as well. So this is new technology probably to most of you. Don't wait until Sunday night to figure this out. That would be a terrible idea. So I would definitely work on that sooner rather than later. And make sure you don't get them mixed up. Topic 1 is phonological and phonemic awareness, and topic 2 is phonics. And so it really is a different prompt entirely. And part of that is for you to show me that you understand the difference between those two things, because that's fundamental to early childhood literacy instruction. Okay. I'm just going to say this now. I'm not a help desk person. I'm not an IT specialist. If you run into problems with the tech on this, yes, absolutely reach out to me. But if it's a little too in the weeds, or it's specific to the computer or phone you're using, I'm not going to be able to help you. You need to reach out to our help desk, okay? All right, and that's another reason not to wait until Sunday night at 11 p.m. to start thinking about these assignments. All right. I'm almost done grading the Language 101 quiz, and if you look in today's memo that posts, I just gave a clarifying note on how the word expressive is used when we talk about language theory, because more than a few of you seemed to misinterpret it on the quiz, and when I see patterns like that, I want to bring them to everybody's attention. So I'm not going to read it aloud to you from the memo. Just check it out and read it. So the to-do list for this week. Go to the icebreaker, write back maybe for fun. Get in the habit of retrieving your scores and feedback as your grades pop up in My Grades. View the week 4 lecture video and this video. So if you're hearing these instructions, you're doing that. Good job. Check out the assigned textbook chapters, excerpts. Check out at least some of the links that I've posted. I know it's overwhelming. Try not to be intimidated by that. Just pick out the ones that look interesting to you for the most part. And then make a plan for your 2 Flipgrids that does not involve starting it at 11:45 p.m. on Sunday. I know I'm a broken record, but maybe some of you are just hearing me say that for the first time in this video. So pardon me for the repetition. All right, that's all. You'll hear from me again on Thursday, and I'll probably have some tips and ideas specific to the Flipgrid. I might even pull some from last semester to share an example with you. So that might be helpful. Okay. Have a great week. You know where to find me if you need me. Bye.